This is an IELTS sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Want to improve your IELTS writing skills? Check out our new IELTS writing channel. Let's start off by talking about hats. Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I enjoy wearing hats because they are both practical and stylish. They protect me from the sun in summer and keep me warm in winter, while also adding a nice touch to my outfit.
What kinds of hats do you have?
I own a few different types of hats. I have baseball caps for casual outings and a straw hat for sunny days. For winter, I wear a cozy beanie. Hats are truly one of the things I must have.
Where do you like to buy hats?
I buy hats mainly from clothing stores. Sometimes I visit local markets for unique designs. Boutique shops also have interesting handmade hats. I enjoy exploring these places.
Is wearing hats popular in your country?
Yes, wearing hats is popular here. In summer, people wear baseball caps or sun hats. In winter, they prefer beanies and woolen hats. Hats are also common for fashion and special events.
Do you think hats are more about style or functionality?
It depends on the situation. In bad weather, hats are functional. They protect you from the sun or keep you warm. At fashion events, they are mostly about style and looking unique.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe something you do to help you study or work. You should say what it is, how you learn it, when you do it, and how you feel about the method.
One method I use to help me study or work is the Pomodoro technique. It's a time management method where I work in focused 25-minute sessions called Pomodoros and then take a short 5-minute break. After completing 4 sessions, I take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique helps me stay focused and prevents burnout during long study or work hours. I first came across this technique a few years ago on a productivity blog. At the time, I was having difficulty concentrating for long periods, so I thought it might be worth trying. I downloaded a Pomodoro timer app, which made it easy to follow the method and track my time. Breaking my tasks into smaller parts made everything feel less stressful and more organized. I use this method whenever I have a lot to do, like studying for an exam or working on an important project. I usually start in the morning when I have more energy and feel more focused. I also follow this routine in the afternoon after lunch as it helps me avoid feeling sleepy. A quiet, peaceful space is essential for staying focused. I find this method very helpful. The short sessions help me stay focused, and the breaks stop me from getting tired. It also keeps me motivated, as I can see my progress after each session. Overall, this technique has improved my productivity and made it easier for me to stay on track with my work.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of work/study productivity. What factors can influence a person's productivity at work or while studying?
Many factors can affect productivity, such as the environment, workload, and access to resources. For example, a quiet and organized space can reduce distractions. Also, having the right tools like a computer or study materials makes tasks easier. Additionally, good physical and mental health can contribute significantly to productivity.
Do you think technology has improved productivity, or does it create distractions?
Technology works on both sides. On the one hand, it offers tools like task management software and online learning platforms, which make work and study more efficient. On the other hand, it also leads to distractions like social media or gaming, which can reduce focus if not managed properly.
How important is time management in maintaining productivity?
Time management is essential for productivity because it enables individuals to plan and prioritize their tasks effectively. For instance, creating a schedule allows people to allocate enough time for each task. This can effectively reduce stress and ensure timely completion. In contrast, poor time management often leads to unfinished tasks and wasted time.
Should workplaces or schools provide more breaks to enhance productivity?
Providing more breaks can enhance productivity as they allow individuals to rest and recharge. For example, many companies and schools have break times to help avoid tiredness and keep people working well. However, too many breaks can also lower focus and decrease productivity. Balance is key.
In your opinion, does working in a team increase or decrease productivity?
Teamwork can increase productivity when there is good communication and clear task allocation. Teams can share responsibilities, which helps speed up work. They can also generate diverse ideas, which improves quality. However, if team members don't work well together or have conflicts, productivity can drop because solving problems takes time.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.